Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I will be talking about European starlings and how they are invasive. Just a quick note, which I was not planning to say in my script, is that if you can hear the screeching sounds in the background, no, it is not an eastern screech owl. It is two broad-winged hawks that are flying over my head. So, sorry about that. So, just as a quick note, I will not be talking about the European starlings' diet, habitat, etc., unless it's important to how they're invasive. This video is 100% about why and how the European starling is invasive. If you would like to learn about the European starling's diet, habitat, and anything I won't mention, go to allaboutbirds.org or audubon.org. Just note, when you go to Audubon, you have to go to the North American Field Guide. European starlings came to the United States from Central Park, New York City. The reason these birds were released in the first place was because people who admired Shakespeare wanted to see the birds that he used in his work. In this case, he used European starlings in his work, so people wanted to experience his stories through birds. European starlings can adapt to any environment, which help them spread rapidly. That can be different forests, deciduous, coniferous, mixed, different aged forests, old, young, areas of different conditions, burnt down, well-developed, marshy, and all three types of areas, urban, suburban, and rural. The negatives on other birds that Europeans had is that European starlings are mostly cavity nesting birds, but when cavities aren't available, they will nest in tree branches, shrubs, etc., which proves my point that they can adapt to any environment. This means that other birds, as complex as an American three-toed woodpecker or something as common as an American robin, might not have a chance to nest because a starling has taken it over. Negatives regarding agriculture is the damage done by starlings in the agricultural world was estimated to cost approximately $800 million per year. This is because starlings destroy fruit and grain crops. Well, what about the animals? When it comes to the animals, they are very good at carrying disease, which isn't a good thing, and that spread to cows and dogs and any farm animal that's outside. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.